Hey, listen to me. You're safe here, you're not alone. Websy the yellow gerbil.
You promise?
Promise. And I will always protect you from them. Yes?
Can I, stay with you tonight?
Sure?
Thank you, Birdie. Good night. I love you.
I love you too.